How big can I get with P-Long? So we're still trying to study that question, but we did have one man who got 1.5 inches of length in 6 months, and we had another man who almost got a full inch of girth in 6 months. But we're going to continue tracking patients. And the other thing is that we have a linear growth curve. So even if you don't achieve your growth goals at 6 months, if you continue with the P-Long protocol, there's a reasonable expectation that you will be able to achieve your growth goals. Will I get the same results with P-Long without the exact P-Long equipment? And the short answer to that is, I don't know. All I can tell you is that using an Affirm nitric oxide boosting 2 tablets twice a day, the Dr. Joel Kaplan penis pump, the RestoreX traction device, and the PureSpin PRP double spin PRP kit with 60 cc's of blood drawn with an injection every month for 6 months resulted in almost an inch in length, almost a half an inch in girth, and an increase in function. Using other devices and other technologies might give you worse results, might give you the same results, and might give you better results. I don't know. The only thing that I can vouch for is the protocol that I created and gave me and my patients really, really good results. And so if you're looking to achieve those results, my recommendation would be to stick with the protocol, and the only protocol that's ever been tested and published in a reviewed journal.